You are either new to buying XRP or have held it for a while. This news cannot be changed. XRP's future in the financial system is uncertain, as it has been via price declines, murky regulatory battles, and more for quite some time. Yet, the cryptocurrency community was taken aback by a fresh development today, which may mark the long-awaited moment for XRP holders. Beyond first impressions, this modification has more going for it. This potentially revolutionary development may have far-reaching effects on the market. Is it possible that this is the catalyst that propels XRP to new heights? Could this be the turning point when the true value of XRP is recognized by all? Please pay attention, as we will soon explain what transpired, why it is significant, and what it may imply for the future of XRP. Something that nobody anticipated has put Ripple XRP in the spotlight recently. There have been rumblings of a major development that might alter the course of events surrounding XRP. This development has taken the market by surprise, whether it's a surprising government decision, a pioneering alliance, or a recent court victory over the SEC. For a long time, Ripple has been quietly making sure that XRP is usable by a lot of people. At last, the fruits of that labor are starting to show. If the court rules in Ripple's favor, it will finally be able to operate unfettered by the regulations that have been limiting it. Because of this, companies can use XRP without worry. Potentially, a large bank or payment network is getting ready to integrate XRP into its system if the relationship is significant enough. The cryptocurrency would gain a lot of value and capital from this. Furthermore, if it originates from the government, it may mark the beginning of a new monetary system that heavily utilizes XRP. At least one thing is very clear. This is no ordinary update. This major shift has the potential to alter XRP's trajectory and its place in global finance. Why is this news so crucial for XRP owners? Let's talk about it more. For a long time, XRP holders have anticipated a monumental event that would bring Ripple's technology to its utmost potential. With this new development, that moment might have just arrived. A major obstacle that has prevented institutional buyers from completely adopting XRP has been the lack of clarity surrounding its laws. For fear of legal repercussions, major financial institutions including banks and payment processors have avoided the situation. However, XRP's accessibility could increase as a result of this announcement, solidifying its position as a valuable asset for the future of international banking. In the event that this is a romantic partnership, it heralds the realization of Ripple's vision to revolutionize the financial sector. It is possible that XRP's price and trading ability may skyrocket if it were to team up with a major bank, a payment network, or even a central bank. This isn't an idle speculation. Ripple has partnered with hundreds of banks worldwide, and their efforts appear to be bearing fruit. Perhaps this is just the beginning, and that is the most thrilling part. Additional users, additional applications, and a possible increase in value could result from this achievement, altering the perception of XRP among regulators, corporations, and investors. At this point, how is the market reacting to this news? What if we look more closely? There has been an overwhelmingly positive reaction to this news. The revelation caused a dramatic spike in XRP trading volume shortly after it broke. A potentially historic shift had investors scrambling to prepare. Many people are talking about XRP on various social media platforms. Among crypto enthusiasts, it ranks high in popularity. Professionals in the field are offering their opinions on the potential short and long-term effects on the value of XRP. The public is divided on whether or not this is the catalyst that will drive XRP's price to heights not witnessed in a long time. Some people are still on the fence and won't decide until they see what occurs. Some intriguing changes are also revealed by on-chain data. There has been an increase in the volume of XRP transactions involving whales, which could indicate that major participants are getting ready for a price surge. This is a turning point, according to crypto specialists and financial analysts. A lot of people think this might be the moment when the price of XRP stops being capped after all this time. Traditional financial organizations, like banks, are also keeping tabs. Should the rumor of widespread XRP usage pan out, this development would alter the way financial institutions and payment processors handle digital assets. When does this end? The market may choose to observe XRP's growth trajectory or to react quickly to its potential acceleration. How may XRP holders best position themselves for the opportunities that may arise in the future? Now we can dissect it. Following the market's recent tremors caused by this major occurrence, the next big question is, the number of people using and valuing XRP might undergo a dramatic shift in the next months if this trend continues. If this is a significant improvement, the law may eventually recognize XRP as a legitimate digital asset. Because of this, many people would be able to utilize it, and large corporations would be able to invest in it. The price of XRP is anticipated to rise as confidence in it grows. It is possible that more businesses may follow suit if XRP gains backing or usage from a large bank or government body. After seeing the practical applications of Ripple's technology, additional institutions and payment networks may decide to join. Instead of being purely speculation, XRP could find practical use in the future. Already, experts are predicting that XRP would see a supply shock if banks really jump on board, meaning that demand would outstrip supply. However, exercise caution and remain vigilant for any subsequent developments. Can we expect further updates from Ripple and other key participants in the financial industry? Can we expect additional information from officials? Above all else, will this signal the beginning of a sustained upward trend for XRP? Owners of XRP should remain vigilant during the upcoming weeks and months, as they will be crucial. Now is a pivotal moment for XRP, and the events of the past few minutes may represent the most significant shift in the market in recent memory. Whether it's due to more transparent regulations, a major partnership, or a revolutionary film about money, one thing is certain: XRP's future appears brighter than ever. You won't find this in the news.